Hello folks, this is the ModernHackers channel, and today we will do an unboxing review of this beautiful Italeri Scania s770 kit, normal roof version. This is the new model. Before we showing up what is inside the box, as usual we look together what's the background, what's the origin of this kit. So if you see, this is a new model from 2023. This kit has some origins. So last year it was issued a similar one, the s730 model with the Highline edition. It's the higher roof model. And this year we have this beautiful rare limited edition kit. But you guys would ask the question, what is the difference between these two kits? And I think the most trusted and authentic, if you go to the Scania.com, and here you can see there is a difference between the Highline and the normal one. So you can see the Highline has a bigger area, rest area and bed area. It's really higher. That's the main difference, and you can see also a bit the spoiler size, the cap size, so it's a bit different. And the engine options and the main are different, because one is the S770, the other is S730. So this guy has bigger, stronger engine. In some RPMs it can perform better and with some load. So if you see this Scania video, you also get some understanding. If you're interested, I also put into the description of this video. But let's see what inside the box we will review together. The Italeri manual. Quality point of view, it has some better paper quality than before, and I see it's a longer one, so it's 28 pages long. As always, we have an overview what is inside the plastic sheets, some color codes in it. Also we will have some photo etched parts, also some chrome sheets also here. There is a warning that choose before assembly, so you will need to choose which one you want to assemble. You need to choose a version. Where are the versions? So let's see what's the difference between the versions. So it's page like 1821. We will see. Before we go to the versions, the decals. This is beautiful for the blue design. Some number plates across Europe. The vignette, the chrome vignette. How this version 2 coming into picture. Where you select the version. Okay, here you can see there is an indication closed version and open version on the top. So you can make the panels, the doors openable, and here is the instruction difference. So the only indication you get it if you read the top of the pages. So and you can see that only on page 14 and page 15 there is the first indication of between the closed and open version, and you need to make the decision on that, how you assemble. I think the open version pretty much interesting. Also in the page 18 there are options on that to go forward. Also the front grille is openable. It's a pretty detailed model. I can see. Oh, here you go. So nice, good looking. And we also have a colored picture how it looks like, including the decals. These are the transparent glass plastic elements. Let's see the quality. I do not see any crazy scratches. Very small packaging dents. I can see no issues. Maybe on the right side, the molding on the edges. You can see that it won't be fully transparent, but I don't think it's visible or recognizable. This, all in all, okay. I think it's good to go version. The next one will be some elements of the spoilers. This is the first time I'm opening this for you guys. Okay. The mudguards. Some spoilers. Some front grille. I see that's molded challenging way, but not recognizable by your finger. So the plastic is smooth, but you can see how it was molded. But I don't see problem with it. So if you paint it, if you prime it, it won't be recognizable. The only thing you will need to paint also these sheets to chrome. So I don't see yet a chrome plate on that. Okay, some other base black paint materials. Also the steering wheel here, driver seat part, tank, head gasket. Also the blades, the wiper blades, and then here you can see so detailed one. You don't need to glue yourself, it's already prepared. So I think it's a detailed blade, and it's not the old-fashioned Italeri one. This is a new blade just created for these model series, so pretty much detailed, and I would call this out. It's useful, nice looking, and looks this molding is a new mold. I don't see so much molding issues, so it's a pretty decent molding. I think one of the best Italeri molding I have ever seen on that. These base black plastic sheets for base parts, so small details. Looks Italeri made a good new molding tool to make this. Let's further down in the box below. The rooftop molding side, okay. Spoilers, the cab parts, no any damage on it, so pretty much okay. Pretty weak edges, No issues with that. You will need to assemble the cab. Some additional extensions of the interiors. I really not see any molding issue. Important to call out. Detailed seats, Scania V8 seats, so beautiful. I think these elements are not painted with silver, not pre-painted, so you will have to also paint them. Probably these ones, these stepping elements, but other than this, okay. The dash is so detailed. Cool. The wheels looks custom rims, I think the front ones, and wheel caps also you can see custom ones to Scania, not the standard Italeri ones. Good to see here. Okay, the tires are also special ones. These are bigger ones, wider. You can see. So they are fitting to the wheels I showed you, the rims. It's a cool, good looking one. Okay, these guys going to cover the frame chassis elements. Yes. Okay, some engine parts as usual. Radiator, something here, small part. Okay, the frame, thanks. I think the only thing that I don't see chrome parts here. Italeri rear photo etched part extensions, s770 here, and also you can see 730. Probably they making the same for both kits, or you can change it if you want. So you can see that this photo etched extension made for two different kits. And these will give a good looking view and front. You will need to paint it, so it won't be stained in gold. So this design is black, but I think it's a delicious, detailed, good quality, high quality kit that I honestly, guys, recommending you to build. So if you see back the design, what we have reviewed, so it's a cool kit. I highly recommend it to you. This will be definitely one of the next kits that I'm going to build. Hit, guys, the like button if you like the video. Raise any questions if you have. Subscribe to the channel. And have a nice day, guys. See you soon. Bye.